Hello everyone and welcome to another Easy Way video where I'm going to teach you how you can earn free Microsoft Bing points. This is very simple and you will have to do nothing. You have to go to the Google Play Store or Google Web Store and you have to find this automate your Bing searches. So you add this extension, wait a few seconds to it to install, and as you can see it has already been installed. So you have to come back here to Bing, go to the extension and press the extension. So you wait a few seconds and accept the risks. And here you have to configure how you like this to work. In my case I'm going to disable mobile searches and add a delay of 2 to 3 maximum, and you have to press start search. So it will start searching things, so you will be able to get a lot of points. You can open a new Windows with Bing and you can start the extension again, and you can do it with multiple browsers, so you will be earning a lot more points. So if this video was useful, please comment, share, like, subscribe and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye.